Millions of Filipinos send money from Gcash to banks in seconds. But here's the strange part. Gcash and the banks don't even share the same database, so how does the money get transferred from point A to point B? Gcash and the banks are different entities. Gcash cannot connect directly to the bank's database, and even if it could, the integration would be messy and complex. So we need a connector for those two parties, and that is InstaPay. InstaPay acts as a bridge between banks and e-payment systems. It is a real-time electronic funds transfer operated through BancNet and regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas. Think of InstaPay as a mailman that carries messages between banks, and that's how they communicate. Let's say you want to send 100 pesos to your friend Maria on her BPI account using Gcash. First, Gcash sends the message to InstaPay and says, "Hey, I am Gcash and I want to send 100 pesos to BPI." Next, InstaPay forwards that message to BPI, then BPI receives that message and credits 100 pesos to Maria's account. It also works vice versa when BPI want to send money to Gcash. So now, Gcash owes BPI 100 pesos since BPI credited that amount to Maria. How does Gcash pay BPI? The settlement does not happen instantly. Instead, the institutions settle payments in batches. Let's say the settlement date is every 5 days. During those 5 days, Gcash user sends 100,000 pesos to BPI while BPI user sends 90,000 pesos to Gcash. Instead of sending the full amounts, the system calculates the difference. Gcash now owes BPI 10,000 pesos and that becomes the settlement amount, and it will be credited to BPI on the settlement date. That's how money moves between different financial institutions in just a few seconds. Comment down below what other topics you would like to discuss on our next video.